Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create stylish, modern shapes like clipped or angled corners in your Figma projects, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make any rectangle instantly more dynamic by giving it sharp, custom angles. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add this eye-catching effect to your designs, helping your UI or illustrations stand out and look much more professional. Let's jump right in. First, open up Figma and start with a new artboard or frame wherever you like to work. Begin by drawing a rectangle shape. You can do this by hitting the R key on your keyboard, then just clicking and dragging on the canvas. The dimensions don't have to be perfect, so feel free to make it the right size for your design. Now, rectangles are super versatile. It could be a button, a card, or even a section of a web page. But as it stands, it's pretty basic. Let's spice that up. Next, we're going to create the triangle shape that will clip one of those corners. So find the triangle tool in the shape options. Sometimes it's hidden under the polygon tool. Just click to add a triangle onto your canvas. This triangle is going to act like a little knife, cutting out one of the rectangle's corners. You don't need to stress about the triangle's exact size at this stage. You can adjust it as you go. Now position the triangle over the rectangle where you want the angled cutout to appear. For example, if you want the top right corner clipped, drag your triangle to sit right over that corner. Here's a little tip: hold down Shift when rotating or moving to snap the angles and get precise alignment. If the triangle doesn't quite fit the way you want, just click and drag the corners to resize it. You can also use the rotation handle above the triangle to turn it, so it matches perfectly with the angle of the corner you're modifying. This is the part where you want to take a moment and get things lined up. Don't worry if it feels tricky. Sometimes you need to nudge things one pixel at a time for a crisp result. Once your triangle's in just the right place, take a moment to match its color to the rectangle beneath. It just needs to be the same color for the subtract process to look clean, but honestly, it doesn't have to be perfect since we're about to combine them. The key is focusing on the positioning. Take your time here. A well-placed triangle will really make the corner effect look intentional and sharp. Now we're ready to merge these two shapes. Holding down the Shift key, click to select both the rectangle and the triangle. You'll see their outlines appear together. This tells you you've got them both selected. Look up to the top of your Figma window and find the Subtract button. It often looks like a little rectangle with a wedge removed. Go ahead and click that. This subtracts the triangle's area from the rectangle, basically cutting off that corner at whatever angle you placed your triangle, and that's it. In just a few steps, you've transformed a plain rectangle into one with a bold, customized clipped or angled corner. You can repeat this process as many times as you like, even on multiple corners, to create all sorts of unique shapes. This technique is fantastic for creating buttons with attitude, dynamic cards, or adding a bit of extra polish to your UI layouts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Figma tips. And if you have any questions or want to show off your creations, just drop a comment below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.